Well, hello and welcome to episode 1 of the rendering tutorial series. Today I'll be showing you how to export your car and which file types you use. So we have our car in our CAD software. I'm just using Fusion 360. You might have a different CAD software. Hopefully this is a similar process. So the first thing we'll just talk about in the car, as you might notice on this CAD model, we have sharp corners on the side pod and as well on the wheel, on the rear wing, all these different parts. So something you'll notice in real life is that there's no such thing as a perfectly sharp corner. So this kind of sharp corner would never exist in real life. Even if you look at the tip of a knife edge, there's still a little bit of curvature on the edge if you look at a macro image. So what we're going to do is, if you're the design engineer or you know how to do this, or you can just ask the design engineer to do this, I recommend actually making a copy of the car and add just a little fillet to every single sharp corner, just to smooth out every single edge. And that's every single sharp corner. It doesn't have to be ones, for example, inside of the wheel, because it won't be visible in the render. But the edges of the wheels, side pods especially, because they're the most visible part of the car, and definitely wings if you have a perfectly sharp wing. Alright, so now that you've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to export our file. So on Fusion there's just file, export here. It might be different on your CAD software. Try and figure it out. And there's a number of file types we can export to. The main ones are FBX, OBJ, and STL. Now the one you want to be going for is OBJ. If you don't have OBJ and you do have FBX, then use FBX. If you don't have either, then just use STL. That's fine. We'll just add the color to it afterwards. So we're going to export it as a OBJ file. Just choose where you want to export it and hit export. Alright, and next episode I'll be showing you how to import your car.